Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. Let's check the detail. This basket is a set of 3 cotton rope baskets. A set of 3, and the top part is mantle frame. We use the mantle frame as the basket body and then weave the cotton rope on the mantle frame. As the bottom is plywood. You can find outside is open weaving basket. The pattern is our new design, and you can send us your design by AI. We can weave the different pattern for you. For the cotton rope, it can dye any color. The popular color is cream, natural, gray, black. You can send us your size and pencil number. We can make any size and any color for you. This basket can load 2,000 styles in 40 containers. Let's check the size. For the large one, 37, 26, height 20 centimeter. For the medium one, 32, 22, height 18 centimeter. For the small one, the length 26, width 17, height 16 centimeter.